everyone, it's me again, Miss O'Connor. Just here with Ruby. She wants to say hi. Say hi, Ruby. We are here to read you another story today. I hope everybody is doing well and you're doing fun things at home and you're reading books and playing with your toys and of course listening to your mommies and daddies. Miss Kim and Miss Jenny and I, we really miss you and hope that you are doing well. Okay, I'm going to put Ruby down. Say bye, Ruby. Say bye. Bye. Okay. So today I want to read this story. Have you seen this book before, this old lady? There was an old lady who swallowed a cow. Could you imagine a lady swallowing a cow? Look, here's the front cover and here's the back cover, and look at that spine. Let's see if that spine is doing a good job. Oh, yep. Spine is doing great, holding all those pages in the book. Let's see. Let's see. Oh, the author and illustrator is Lucille Calandro. Oh, the illustrator is Jared Lee. So there's a separate author and illustrator. So let's look at this book about this old lady that swallowed a cow. There was an old lady who swallowed a cow. I don't know why she swallowed a cow, but she did it somehow. Let's see. There was an old lady who swallowed some hay. It made her day to swallow the hay. She swallowed the hay to feed the cow. I don't know why she swallowed the cow, but she did it somehow. Because you know that cows like to eat hay, right? Oh no, there was an old lady who swallowed a pig. She danced a jig while she swallowed the pig. So this is a silly book. She swallowed the pig to play in the hay. She swallowed the hay to feed the cow. I don't know why she swallowed the cow, but she did it somehow. There was an old lady who swallowed a duck. It took some luck to swallow that duck. She swallowed the duck to chase the pig. She swallowed the pig to play in the hay. She swallowed the hay to feed the cow. I don't know why she swallowed the cow, but she did it somehow. There was an old lady who swallowed what is this? What is that called? You're right, it's a horse. It took some force to swallow that horse. She swallowed the horse to cheer on the duck. She swallowed the duck to chase the pig. She swallowed the pig to play in the hay. She swallowed the hay to feed the cow. I don't know why she swallowed the cow, but she did it somehow. That's right. There was an old lady who swallowed a sheep. She collapsed in a heap when she swallowed the sheep. Oh my goodness, look. Let's see, what else do you see in the picture over here? What do you see over here? That's right, I see a red truck. What else do you see? Some other animals? Oh, look at that. I see. Looks like a little frog. Maybe that's a barn. What else do you see? Very good. She swallowed the sheep to sing with the horse. She swallowed the horse to cheer on the duck. She swallowed the duck to chase the pig. She swallowed the pig to play in the hay. She swallowed the hay to feed the cow. I don't know how. I don't know why she swallowed the cow, but she did it somehow. There was an old lady who swallowed do you know what this is called? This instrument, it's called a fiddle. Can you say fiddle? It was quite the riddle, her swallowing a fiddle. Just then a rooster crowed, "Cock-a-doodle-doo!" and out flew the animals 2 by 2. Around the farm, they began to prance. Look at all those animals. Which one's your favorite? I like the horse. Where's the horse? And to do the barnyard square dance. Look at all the animals. So that was the story of There Was an Old Lady Who Swallowed a Cow. Hopefully you enjoyed that story. It was a good one. Ruby and I will be back really soon to read you another story. We hope you have a good day. Thank you for listening.